My name is Jack Hanney, and welcome to this week's edition of The Insider. This week, we'll be discussing on The Insider rate cuts and Saudi Arabia's decision to end the 50-year agreement with the U.S. in using the PetroDollar. That is correct. This week, it was announced that Saudi Arabia has ended its agreement to use the PetroDollar. The concern of this is that Saudi Arabia has joined the BRICS nations in an alternative basket-based currency to challenge the US dollar as the dominant reserve currency. So the global de-dollarization trend is accelerating. And what does this mean for gold? We can anticipate significantly higher gold prices in the future. Also this week, Jerome Powell and the Fed announced that they'd be willing to cut rates if inflation was to drop suddenly. And what does this mean? Well, some of us anticipate a July surprise. If you read between the lines, you'll see Q1 GDP came in at 1.6%, well below the 2.4% that was forecasted. Consumer confidence is at a 6-month low. Jobless claims were just announced to be at a 10-month high. Again, jobless claims at a 10-month high. Then the consumer price index and the producer price index numbers both came in better than anticipated. Why is this relevant? The Fed is building a case for a surprise rate cut in July at their July Fed Open Market Committee meeting on July 30th and 31st. I am not a certified financial investment advisor, nor do I give tax advice. If there were to be a July surprise, that could just absolutely catapult gold and silver prices. Right now, gold is trading a little below $2,300 an ounce, and silver has dipped below $30 an ounce. This is the single best buying opportunity we have seen in 2024 ahead of rate cuts. The next Fed fund move will be a rate cut, as was reiterated by Jerome Powell just yesterday after the Fed announcement. Please visit us at www.patriotgoldgroup.com or call 1-888-701-3012. Again, that's www.patriotgoldgroup.com or call 1-888-701-3012. Again, Saudi Arabia ending its agreement to use the petrodollar after 50 years and the implications, along with rate cuts on the way, both significantly support much higher gold prices in the future. Thank you, and I look forward to speaking with you next week on an episode of Patriot Insider.